Hello there. Thinking about boosting your website's visibility? Let's talk about GoDaddy SEO, how much it costs, and how to buy it. A crucial step in boosting your online presence and reaching a broader audience. To get started, first, visit the GoDaddy website. Navigate to the section labeled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting, and Online Marketing Tools. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button to access your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to log in smoothly. It's always wise to double-check your details to ensure a seamless sign-in experience. Once logged in, focus on the dashboard area. Here, you'll find numerous options, but you need to click on My Products. This section allows you to view all the products and services linked to your account. Next, locate the option that says All Products and Services. Clicking this will give you a detailed view of the services under your GoDaddy account. Under each service, you'll find various management options. Find the Manage button relevant to your business listing tool and click on it. GoDaddy offers an SEO tool to help your site rank higher on Google and other search engines. It's a do-it-yourself SEO solution, perfect for beginners and small businesses. What is GoDaddy SEO Cost? Just $9.99 per month, billed annually. That means you'll pay about $119.88 for the full year. With this plan, keyword suggestions and easy tools to optimize your website content. Now, how do you buy it? First, go to GoDaddy.com. In the top menu, hover over Marketing and click on SEO Tools. You'll land on the SEO product page. Click on the Add to Cart button under the SEO Tools plan. Next, choose the Annual Billing option and proceed through the checkout. You'll need a GoDaddy account to complete the purchase. Once you've paid, your SEO dashboard will be available in your account, and you can start optimizing your website. Thank you for following along today, and best of luck with your business listing journey.